Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Do English. Today's lesson is all about interjection. This is the last lesson in our Parts of Speech series. If you're here checking out my channel for the first time, or if you are a regular visitor and haven't subscribed yet, feel free to take a moment to click on the subscribe button. Let us get started with the lesson. What are interjection? Interjection expresses an emotion. They are added to a sentence to express emotions such as joy, dismay, enthusiasm, surprise, hesitation, etc. Now, the common examples of interjections would be wow, hey, oh, what, oh my, oops. Interjection can stand on their own. They can also appear in the beginning, middle, or at the end of a sentence. Interjections are mostly used in informal writing to express the author's emotions. Note that formal writing does not employ the use of interjection. Interjection can be a sound like sh, or a single word like cheers, or can even consist of two words like well done. Commas and periods are mostly used for mild interjection, like well, yes, no, oh, indeed are often used as mild interjections. For example, well, I hope the weather is good today. Exclamation marks are used to express stronger emotion, like yay, bravo, alas. Now, there are different types of interjection. The first one would be the interjection for greeting. These interjections are usually used to express warmth when meeting one another, like hi, hey, hello. Hi, good to meet you. Interjection for joy. These interjections are used to denote happiness or excitement. Yay, wow, hooray, wow, we won the contest. Interjection for approval or praise. These interjections are used to express approval of a job well done. Cheers, well done, great, brilliant. Brilliant, your performance was extraordinary. Interjection for attention. These interjections are used to draw attention. Listen, look, behold, hush. Oh, what? Oh, listen, you must complete all your pending work today. What? He won the prize? Interjection for sorrow or pain. These interjections are used to express feelings of pain or sorrow. Alas, ouch, ouch, my knee hurts. Interjection for hesitation or doubt. These interjections are used to express hesitation. Hmm, er, I have to think about that. We are here at the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed this short lesson on interjection. Before we wind up, I want to remind you to click on the subscribe button. Also like and share my videos with your network of family and friends. Comment below if you have any question. I will see you soon with another exciting lesson.